Two. We back. My booty show. Two. We back. Them crackers can't stop this good gaze. Good gaze. I got the new leak. That's the new leak, dog. Nigga didn't leak the new track. Exclusive, man. Exclusive new track, dog. Good gaze. Good gaze. I gotta hear that, dog. This bitch a slut. This bitch just said she been going to the club since she's 16 years old. This bitch a slut. That bitch a slut. That's what I'm saying, dog. He don't know. Nigga don't want me listening to me. He don't, dog. This not all what it seemed, blood. It ain't all what it seemed. It ain't all about the light, all the nice, all the sacrifice, y'all. It ain't all about the whole nigga knowing how a motherfucking go, yeah. Ah, this bitch a whore. This bitch a whore. She talking about I always been to South Beach. I always been out there. I always been thugging. I always been thugging. I always been a young thug. I always been young. Where's this window catcher? No time in sales. Crazy boy. Crazy. Yo, thanks for the subscribe, baby. Whoa, she said, fuck me like Justin Bieber. Whoa, what? What? Hey, that my girl Gorilla. She be shaking that pussy. Hey. I should get a meme. I'm gonna try to create a GIF. I'm gonna create a GIF. I'm gonna try to create a GIF of Gorilla shaking her pussy. Every time I press the button, Gorilla gonna pop up. Yeah. Woo! Stallion! The Stallion! What the fuck are we doing? So there, let me show it that way. What y'all gonna do with yourselves? This bitch said I don't like the taste of it. I can only drink the 1942 face F. It's fucking wretched. Not even ratchet, wretched. That bitch a wretched hoe. She a wretched bitch. God damn, she don't want to be saved, don't save her. God damn. God damn. She don't want to be saved, don't save her. God damn. That shit look like it's stable. Alright, boys. Everybody trying to watch the video. Everybody want to be on a video dick. Everybody on a video nutsack. On their nutsack. But I don't know.
Seafood savings at Foods Market. Save 23%. You'll find
Man, to all you PC manufacturers, bro, like motherfucking make these damn USB ports a little snugger over time or something. Change the latch. That shit is annoying. It's like over time, that bitch going in and out. It's like a girl's pussy. You know, you can't do. You keep fucking that joint only got but so many motherfucking. Yeah, I mean, before it's not gonna be tight no more. You come up with a new way where you press the button, you press the USB to pull it or something like that. I need firm USB. This shit, boy. Man, this shit crazy, boy. Fucking bullshit, man. What? No way. You're fucking lying. What? What are they doing to these damn companies, boy? Y'all niggas out of control. These niggas out of control. We just was looking at a nice little breakout. They fucking is. They killing the country, bro. Y'all better make sure y'all get y'all guns. Y'all make sure y'all get y'all guns, cause these piece of shit ass companies they keep showing, like they keep showing apples and all that. These companies are trash. So if these are the only stocks that are actually moving, when I go click on any other stock, you know what I mean? Only the big boys are moving, and they are all controlled by the no damn people who got the damn illegal immigrants in there in the first place. We looking at all these other companies, and they trading at 0 cents now. You know what I mean? They're killing. They about to pull the plug. And if you all owning them, bitch, I'm just keeping it real. I'm just teaching y'all a little something, bro. Come on, everything else is getting crushed. Everything else is getting crushed on the low. They got you basically watching NVIDIA. They pumping. They gotta give you one that look good. You know what I mean? Meanwhile, all the silvers and all the other shit is going higher because that's the stored value. That's all the stored value. So everybody going bank mode. Everybody going bank mode. My motherfucking shit. Well, I can't even believe that shit. Let me look at that shit. Everybody going bank mode. That's crazy. When you're replacing, you need a new one. Here's what you should be thinking. Hey, boots, scarf, hundreds of appliances with online delivery. The big way for installation on another. Don't want it to. Bro, I hate when something get in my eye. Something told me I should go get some glasses. How they don't got no money? You hear that right there? They just said they need you to donate money to veterans because they can't give them dental care. How do they then have money to then build these tanks and these bombs and all this other shit and then let all these damn illegal fucking immigrants into this goddamn country if they can't even pay for the dental, the damn dental for the goddamn motherfucking people? I swear I hate when something get in my eye, dog. Like recently, shit been getting in my eye, and I've been like, dog, I want to like now, like almost make goggles, like make goggles standard, bro, cause like that shit is the worst. That shit is the fucking worst feeling, bro. It's like something in my fucking eye, bro. And 99 degrees. See, I ain't got no family, and I ain't gonna have no family. I'm hanging out with all my girlfriends, thinking I'm running my mouth, but really I'm fucking fucked up. Really I don't know what I'm doing. Really I don't know how I'm living. Really I'm fucked up bad. Oh yeah, it's the Money Booty Show. And a bad little bitch in the back. And I'm fucking that bitch from the back. And I'm chopping that dick out the back. And she fucking around out that dick. And I've been chopping this shit out the nigga 100 around chopping that glass. Nigga boy nigga running the play. Nigga I'm crossing the goddamn train. Where them niggas ain't never been. Shit in 99 degrees. Gorilla, I got a crush on Gorilla right now. Gorilla, call me, boo. Let's go get some taco, boo. Shit at 99 degrees. I'm showing off my moose nut. That bitch said she's showing off her motherfucking moose nut. She got that motherfucking moose nut on that bitch. I'm showing off them pussy lips. She got them pussy lips. I'm showing off my pussy lips. Off that motherfucking moose nut. Shaking my motherfucking head. Come on, man. That's what I'm saying. I just thought about what we doing. And they don't show you a lot of this shit. They be covering it up. Whoa, what? This nigga weirdo, boy. You weird like the bitch. Both y'all some lanes. Niggas some lanes, nigga. My guy. Come on, man. This shit is blasphemy. Damn, this is blasphemy. Blasphemy. How the fuck? I can't even turn that shit off. That shit got a nugget plastered. Hey, Bixby. Change screen timeout time.
Which option would you like?
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Screen timeout is set to 10 minutes.
Oh my god damn, bro. It's 7 p.m. riding. God damn. What the fuck is going on, bro? Bro, what are they doing to y'all shit, bro? Shit, I would not be allowing this shit. I would be fucking, we be going ham. Soup, soup. This country falling apart, nigga. I'm telling you. I'll get y'all some guns and some bullets. Get your guns, some bullets, some food, some water, bro. They playing with the money. You know what happens when you play with a nigga money. Only one thing can happen when you play with the money. Boy, it's time to fucking bang. Hold on. Take five. It's the Money Booty Show. We'll be right back after the word from these messages.
Back of the lane, working the lane, breaking that bank.
I'm walking the brain, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that pop nigga brain, nigga, you know what we rain, good ass, 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 back at that bitch, good ass, 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 back in that bitch, working that bitch, working that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving that bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, even I'm running get tech, nugget I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, even I'm running get tech, 100 round top of the set, 30 go top of this set, I be chopping this bitch, I been working that bitch, good get, 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 30 more top, bust, good get, 100 round top, bust, bullet, fuck on the dope, bust it. Tell him what a nigga running shit at. If he gon' play, bust him, shit back. Good guy, 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 breaking that bitch and I bit back, poking that dope and I pussy, pussy ass niggas that pussy, good guy, good guy, dirty ass talk, good guy, shooting through the top, good guy, buy through the mall, good guy. Crackers can't stop me, good ass, nigga, they running the city, they mad, them niggas, they fucking, they broken, you niggas, you fucking, you bonkers, you niggas, man, forgot we chosen, good ass, 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 running through the city, I'm seeing, I'm fucking, I'm mean, I'm running this setup, 30 ass top of them better, walk with the double beretta, even the city is up top, nigga, the money around top of them setup, nigga, they fucking around, they talking too much, this shit, man, is set up, good ass. Good guy, good guy, bunny is dope, good guy, baby be talking, shit ass, fucking her, now she all alone, fucking her, all of these bitches be hoes, fuck em, all of these niggas be chumps, fuck em, 30 man chopper, dope, duck em, catching that nigga, dope, cuss em, E-man I'm running around, touch em, catching that nigga, them niggas they fucking around, I catch em, touch em, 30, toe, 4, cuss em, catch that nigga, 4, plus em, pussy ass nigga, 4, punch em, E-man is good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy, run through the city, 30 go top, crackers be playing, baby go fall, I cannot stop, I'm right to the top, good guy, money Buddha, started go to, niggas been suit, walking the deuce, niggas been goose, niggas been goose, the baby masseuse, even the deuce, walking the deuce, niggas be playing, they call them the truth, even the deuce, walking the deuce, telling them niggas we back in the, good guy, 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 tell him that bitch and I'm knocking them bottle, nigga man fucking that bitch and I'm gone, fucking that hoe and she better go swap. Back of the lane, working the lane, breaking that bank. I'm walking the bank, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that pop nigga brain, nigga, you know what we rain, good guy, 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 back at that bitch, good guy, good ass, good ass, good ass, good ass, good ass, good ass, back in that bitch, working that bitch. Working that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving that bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, E-man I'm running get tech, nugget I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, E-man I'm running get tech.
100 round top of the set. 30 go top of this set. I been chopping this bitch. I been working that bitch. Good it. 30 more top, bust. Good it. 100 round top, bust. Bullet. Fuck on the dope, bust it. Tell him what a nigga running. Shit at. If he gon' play, bust it. Shit back. Good it. Breaking that bitch and I put that. Poking that dope and I put that. Pussy ass niggas that put that. Good ass. 30 ass out. Good ass. Shoot through the top. Good ass. Buy through the mall. Good ass. Crackers can't stop me. Good ass. Nigga, they running the city, they mad. Them niggas, they fucking, they broken. Huh, you niggas, you fucking, you broken. Huh, you niggas, man, forgot we chosen. Huh, good ass. Running through the city, I'm seeing, I'm fucking, I'm mean, I'm running this setup. 30 years top and I'm better. Walk with the double beretta. Even the city is up top, nigga, the money round top and I'm set up. Nigga, they fucking around, they talking too much, this shit, man, is set up. Good ass. Bunny is dope. Good ass. Baby be talking shit ass. Fucking her. Now she all alone. Fucking her. All of these bitches be hoes. Fuck them. All of these niggas be chumps. Fuck them. 30 man chopper. Dope. Duck him. Catching that nigga. Dope. Cuss him. E-man, I'm running around. Touch him. Catching that nigga. Them niggas they fucking around. I catch him. Toe. Touch him. 30. Toe. 4. Cuss him. Catch that nigga. 4. Plus him. Pussy ass nigga. 4. Punch him. E-man is good ass. Run through the city. 30 go top. Crackers be playing. Baby go fall. I cannot stop. I'm right to the top. Good guy. Money Buddha. Started go to. Niggas been suit. Walking the deuce. Niggas been goose. Niggas been goose. The baby masseuse. Even the deuce. Walking the deuce. Niggas be playing. They calling the truth. Even the deuce. Walking the deuce. Telling them niggas we back in the. Good guy. Tell him that bitch and I'm knocking them bottle. Nigga, man, fucking that bitch and I'm gone. Fucking that hoe and she better go swap. Oh. Back of the lane. Working the lane. Breaking that bank. I'm walking the bank, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that pop nigga brain, nigga, you know what we rain, good guy, back at that bitch, good ass, back in that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving that bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, even I'm running get tech, nugget I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, even I'm running get tech, 100 round top of the set, 30 go top of this set, I been chopping this bitch, I been working that bitch, good 30 more top, bust, good 100 round top, bust, bullet, fuck on the dope, bust it, tell him what a nigga running, shit at, if he gon' play, bust it, shit back, good breaking that bitch and I put that, poking that dope and I put that, pussy ass niggas that put that, good ass, 30 ass out, good ass, shoot through the top, good ass, buy through the mall, good ass, crackers can't stop me, good ass, nigga they running the city, they mad, them niggas they fucking, they broken, huh, you niggas you fucking, you broken, huh, you niggas man forgot we chosen, huh, good ass, running through the city, I'm seeing, I'm fucking, I'm mean, I'm running this setup, 30 years top and I'm better, walk with the double beretta, even the city is up top, nigga, the money round top and I'm set up, nigga, they fucking around, they talking too much, this shit, man, is set up, good ass, bunny is dope, good ass, baby be talking shit ass, fucking her, now she all alone, fucking her, all of these bitches be hoes, fuck them, all of these niggas be chumps, fuck them, 30 man chopper, dope, duck him, catching that nigga, dope, cuss him, E-man, I'm running around, touch him, catch Catching that nigga, them niggas, they fucking around. I catch a toe, touch a 30, toe, 4, catch that nigga, 4, plus pussy ass nigga, 4, punch him. E-man is good at, good at, good at, good at, good at. Run through the city, 30 gon' talk, crackers be playing, baby gon' fall. I cannot stop, I'm right to the top. Good at, money Buddha, started go to, niggas been suit, walking the deuce, niggas been goose, niggas been goose, the baby masseuse, E-man is deuce, walking the deuce, niggas be playing, they call him the truth, E-man is deuce, walking the deuce, telling them niggas we back in the. Good at, 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 good at. Tell him that bitch and I'm knocking them bottle. Nigga man fucking that bitch and I'm gone. Fucking that hoe and she better go swap. Back of the lane, working the lane, breaking that bank. I'm walking the bank, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that pop nigga bang, nigga, you know what we rain, good gas, 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 back at that bitch, good gas, good ass, good gas, good gas, good gas, good gas, good gas, back in that bitch, working that bitch. Working that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving that bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, E-man, I'm running get tech, nugget, I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, E-man, I'm running get tech, 100 round top of the set, 30 go top of this set, I be chopping this bitch, I been working that bitch, good at, 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 30 more top, bust, good at, 100 round top, bust, bullet, fuck on the dope, bust it, tell him what a nigga running, shit at, if he gon' play, bust it, shit at, good 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 at, breaking that bitch and I put that, poking that dope and I pussy ass niggas and pussy, good at, good at, dirty ass talk, good at, shooting through the top, good at, right through the mall, good at, crackers can't stop me, good at, nigga they running the city, they mad, them niggas they fucking, they broken, you niggas you fucking, you bunker, you niggas man forgot we chosen, good at, 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 running through the city, I'm seeing, I'm fucking, I mean, I'm running this setup, 30 on top of them better, walk with the double beretta, even the city is up top, nigga, the money round top of them setup, nigga, they fucking around, they talking too much, this shit, man, is set up, good at, good at, good at, burning this dope, good at, baby be talking, shit at, fucking her, now she all alone, fucking her, all of these bitches be hoes, fuck em, all of these niggas be chumps, fuck em, 30 man chopper, dope, duck em, catching that nigga, dope, cuss em, E-man, I'm running around, touch em, catching that nigga, them niggas, they fucking around, I catch em, toe, touch em, 30, toe, 4, cuss em, catch that nigga, 4, plus em, pussy ass nigga, 4, punch em, E-man is good at, good at, good at, good at, good at, run through the city, 30 gon' talk, crackers be playing, baby gon' fall, I cannot stop, I'm right to the top, good at, money Buddha, started go to, niggas been suit, walking the deuce, niggas been goose, niggas been goose, the baby masseuse, even the deuce, walking the deuce, niggas be playing, they call him the truth, even the deuce, walking the deuce, telling them niggas we back in the, good at, 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 tell him that bitch and I'm knocking them bottle, nigga man fucking that bitch and I'm gone, fucking that hoe and she better go swap. Oh, back of the lane, working the lane, breaking that bank. I'm walking the bank, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that pop nigga bang, nigga, you know what we bang, good guy, 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 back at that bitch, good guy, 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 back in that bitch, working that bitch. Working that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving them bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, even I'm running get tech, nugget I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, even I'm running get tech, 100 round top of the set, 30 go top of this set, I been chopping this bitch, I been working that bitch, good 30 more top, bust, good 100 round top, bust, bullet, fuck on the dope, bust it, tell him what a nigga running, shit at, if he gon' play, bust it, shit back, good guy, 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 breaking that bitch and I put that, poking that dope and I pussy, pussy ass niggas that pussy, good guy, good guy, 30 ass talk, good guy, shooting through the top, good guy, right through the mall, good guy, crackers can't stop me, good guy, nigga they running the city, they mad, them niggas they fucking, they broken, you niggas you fucking, you bonkers, you niggas man forgot we chosen, good guy, 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 running through the city, I'm seeing, I'm fucking, I'm mean, I'm running this setup, 30 up top of them better, walk with the double beretta, even the city is up top, nigga, the money round top of them setup, nigga they fucking around, they talking too much, this shit man is set up, good guy, good guy, good guy, burning this dope, good guy, baby be talking, shit ass, fucking her, now she all alone, fucking her, all of these bitches be hoes, fuck em, all of these niggas be chumps, fuck em, 30 man chopper, dope, duck em, catching that nigga, dope, cuss em, E-man I'm running around, touch em, catching that nigga, them niggas they fucking around, I catch em, touch em, 30, toe, 4, cuss em, catch that nigga, 4, plus em, pussy ass nigga, 4, punch em, E-man is good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy, good guy, run through the city, 30 go top, crackers be playing, baby go fall, I cannot stop, I'm right to the top, good guy, money Buddha, started go to, niggas been suit, walking the deuce, niggas been goose, niggas been goose, the baby masseuse, even the deuce, walking the deuce, niggas be playing, they call them the truth, even the deuce, walking the deuce, telling them niggas we back in the, good guy, 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 tell him that bitch and I'm knocking them bottle, nigga man fucking that bitch and I'm gone, fucking that hoe and she better go swap. Back of the lane, working the lane, breaking that bank. I'm walking the bank, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that pop nigga bang, nigga, you know what we bang, good guy, 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 back at that bitch, good guy, 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 back in that bitch, working that bitch, working that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving them bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, even I'm running get tech, nugget I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, even I'm running get tech. 100 round top of the set. 30 go top of this set. I been chopping this bitch. I been working that bitch. Good it. 30 more top, bust, good it. 100 round top, bust, bullet, fuck on the dope, bust it. Tell him what a nigga running, shit at. If he gon' play, bust it, shit at. Good it. Breaking that bitch and I bit back. Poking that dope and I pussy. Pussy ass niggas that pussy. Good ass. 30 ass top. Good ass. Shooting through the top. Good ass. Bought through the mall. Good ass. Crackers can't stop me. Good ass. Nigga, they running the city, they mad. Them niggas, they fucking, they broken. Huh, you niggas, you fucking, you bonkers. Huh, you niggas, man, forgot we chosen. Huh, good ass. 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 Running through the city, I'm seeing, I'm fucking, I'm mean, I'm running this setup. 30 ass top of them better. Walk with the double Beretta. Even the city is up top, nigga, the money around talking on setup. Nigga, they fucking around, they talking too much, this shit, man, is setup. Good ass. Good ass. Good ass. Bunny is dope. Good ass. Baby be talking shit ass. Fucking her. Now she all alone. Fucking her. All of these bitches be hoes. Fuck 'em. All of these niggas be chumps. Fuck 'em. 30 man chopper. Dope. Duck 'em. Catching that nigga. Dope. Cuss 'em. E-man, I'm running around. Touch 'em. Catching that nigga. Them niggas they fucking around. I catch 'em. Touch 'em. 30. Toe. 4. Cuss 'em. Catch that nigga. 4. Plus 'em. Pussy ass nigga. 4. Punch 'em. E-man is good ass. Good ass. Good ass. Good ass. Good ass. Run through the city. 30 go top. Crackers be playing. Baby go fall. I cannot stop. I'm right to the top. Good guy. Money Buddha. Started go to. Niggas been suit. Walking the deuce. Niggas been goose. Niggas been goose. The baby masseuse. Even the deuce. Walking the deuce. Niggas be playing. They call them the truth. Even the deuce. Walking the deuce. Telling them niggas we back in the. Good guy. 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 Tell him that bitch and I'm knocking them bottle. Nigga, man, fucking that bitch and I'm gone. Fucking that hoe and she better go swap. Back of the lane, working the lane, breaking that bank. I'm walking the bank, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that part nigga bang, nigga, you know what we rain, good gas, 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 back at that bitch, good gas, 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 back in that bitch, working that bitch. Working that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving that bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, E-man, I'm running get tech, nugget, I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, E-man, I'm running get tech, 100 round top of the set, 30 go top of this set, I been chopping this bitch, I been working that bitch, good cat, 30 more top, bust, good get 100 round top, bust, bullet, fuck on the dope, bust it, tell him what a nigga running, shit at, if he gon' play, bust it, shit at, good get, 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 breaking that bitch and I bit back, poking that dope and I'm pussy ass niggas that pussy, good get, good get, 30 ass top, good get, shooting through the top, good get, bought through the mall, good get, crackers can't stop me, good get, nigga they running the city, they mad, them niggas they fucking, they broken, you niggas you fucking, you bonkers, you niggas man forgot we chosen, good get, good get, good get, good get, Good ass, good ass, good ass, good ass. Running through the city, I'm seeing, I'm fucking, I mean, I'm running this setup. 30 on top of them better. Walk with the double Beretta. Even the city is up top, nigga, the money round top of them setup. Nigga, they fucking around, they talking too much, this shit, man, is set up. Good ass, good ass, good ass. Bunny is dope, good ass. Baby be talking, shit ass. Fucking her, now she all alone, fucking her. All of these bitches be hoes, fuck her. All of these niggas be chumps, fuck her. 30 man chopper, dope, duck her. Catching that nigga, dope, cuss her. E-man, I'm running around, touch her. Catching that nigga, them niggas, they fucking around, I catch her. Toe, touch her, 30, toe, 4, cuss her. Catch that nigga, 4, plus her. Pussy ass nigga, 4, punch her. E-man is good ass, good ass, good ass, good ass, good ass. Run through the city, 30 gon' talk. Crackers be playing, baby go fall. I cannot stop. I'm right to the top. Good ass, money Buddha, started go to. Niggas been suit, walking the deuce. Niggas been goose, niggas been goose. The baby masseuse, even the deuce, walking the deuce. Niggas be playing, they callin' the truth. Even the deuce, walking the deuce. Telling them niggas we back in the. Good ass, 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 good ass. Tear him that bitch and I'm knocking them bottle. Nigga man, fucking that bitch and I'm gone. Fucking that hoe and she better go swap. Back of the lane, working the lane, breaking that bank. I'm walking the bank, even back of the bag, hey, even the bag, say, catching that nigga to swing, even the brain, walking the brain, nigga, I'm fucking them dang, even them niggas is hang, even that pop nigga pain, nigga, you know what we bring, good gas, 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 back at that bitch, good gas, good ass, good gas, good gas, good gas, good gas, good gas, back in that bitch, working that bitch, working that bitch, working that bitch, talking that bitch, you loving that bitch, she talking that shit, I'm fucking that bitch, she sad, money, bag, check, good ass check, money, check, run up the check, crackers be mad in debt, even I'm running get tech, nugget I'm running get tech, crackers be mad, they tryna go fuck up the city, man, run up the debt, even I'm running get tech, 100 round top of the set, 30 go top of this set, I been chopping this bitch, I been working that bitch, good ass, 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 30 more top, bust, good ass, 100 round top, bust, bullet, fuck on the dope, bust.
Alright, I'm back, y'all. Had to clean up some shit. Hope everybody enjoyed the music.
Let me tell you what we want to do. We want to put ASH system. So you can
What the fuck is these niggas doing, dog? They playing games with the fucking money, man. Fucking cunts. Don't mind me. Y'all better get y'all guns. Get you some guns, dog. Make sure y'all get y'all shit right, man. Guns, go get your shit together, boy. This shit, I'm telling you. I'm in the top. I'm at the tippity top. I can see. I can see things you all can't see. This shit a scam too because it went up to 45. Now it's at 23. Niggas buying that shit, but it's gonna look it's peaking out already. It's a trap, dog. They playing games with the money, bro. It's crazy, boy. Boy, I'm the greatest nigga, boy. You all are really looking, dog. It's something in me, dog. I'm telling you, dog. It's something. What you're looking at, I must got it, dog. I'm a descendant, nigga. I'm a descendant of Abraham, Isaac, and Ishmael. The motherfucking people of the Bible, nigga. But the Most High, that nigga walked inside of motherfucking Egypt, nigga, in the beginning, and he made us from the dust. You know what I mean? On the 5th day. Nigga ball cause I'm money. Now nigga never get rich, now I'm balling, yeah. We should play some Call of Duty while we waiting for the market to enjoy our day. That's one thing. Don't let the market fuck your day up, dog. I feel like that's where people fuck up. That shit'll have you jump out the building. If you go by what you see, nigga, you just gotta just understand what it means. This shit mean that the world about to get bad. It's about to get bad. It's about to get real bad. Mm. Oh, you go on my feet. I take it to the bloody band underneath. I keep 100 rag inside my jeans. 9 niggas if it won't nigga morning. 9 niggas the fucking rich, that nigga balling. Yeah. Wow, bro. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck is going on? What are we doing here? On the body on me. Can I buy some shit? Hold on. We got an emergency. Fucking crackers drop dead, every last one of you. Little god machine. Little god machine. To hell up for the shaking me territory. Miracle must be on the way. We on him. And motherfucker, we getting in the house for forsaking me. God damn. I'm still attacking all out of fire. Engage the enemy. Damn it, we came too fucking far now. Engage. All tactical units, prepare to fire. Throw the damn rifle at they ass. Prepare for armed combat. prepare for hand-to-hand combat. We out of fucking ammo now, nigga. It's time to prepare for hand-to-hand combat. Nigga, ain't dead yet, bitch. You're not dead yet, motherfucker! Engage! They want me to buy 4. They want me to buy 4. Engage! 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 Engage all units! Fire! I need Scorpion missiles! Scorpion fire! Fire! Damn it, where are you? I don't hear nobody fire! The white man is calling the sounds and jamming the radio frequencies. The enemy has jammed all radio frequencies. Communications are not going through. They're not firing. Fire! Keep firing at the enemy. They can see my bullets. They might see my vest. They can see that I'm attacking the enemy. I will not yield to this foe. We must engage the enemy. We must engage the enemy. All tactical units fire upon the enemy. Fire and engage. Give me everything you got. Scorpion 2, Scorpion 3. Scorpion 3, give me everything you got. I need scorpions. I need scorpion fire. I need this thing to move, goddammit. Move it. For the love of God. I need this shit to move, goddammit, Yahweh. On the goddamn blood, the blood of Mashiach, I need this shit to move. It's looking grievous. It's looking grim. Walk by faith, not by sight, my son. Then I'm fine. Then I'm fine and I'm engaging then. Fire, you heard the Lord. We fire until we're empty. Engage the enemy. Persecute them. Fire until your thumbs can't move. Till your hand is numb and your fingers sore. Fire. Fire on the enemy. Fire. The Lord make a way. He will provide unlimited ammunition to engage the enemy. Engage. Engage and believe. Oh, don't look at what the mag is saying. Don't look at that. Don't you look at what it say. Don't you look at what it say. This fire, aim and fire on the enemy. Eradicate the enemy. Close your eyes if you want to look. Don't you look. Don't you look. Engage the enemy. I should put in the number I want. Put in the number you want. Give me what you want. Put in what you want. Bless it. And the Lord gonna bless it. Give it to me. I need it. Give it to me. Bless it, Lahaim. He will try to bless L'chaim. 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 He tried it. Hey, I'm believing. I'm believe you gotta try it if you believe. So you ain't believing, you better try it. I'm still firing at the enemy. Holy shit. Believe, Neo. Believe. Believe, Neo. We got it. We got you. We cannot lose. Will not let us lose. You better not let us lose. Better not. Cannot. Will not. Shall not. Fire on the enemy. Fire on the enemy. I will not lose. For myself, I'll sell my we will not lose. We will not lose. Tell them what I said. Tell them what I said. Ah! Ah, the enemy and the Andy. Engage. And prepare for hand-to-hand combat. Bayonets on the ready. Prepare to engage the enemy to the last man. We shall not retreat. We shall not retreat. We shall not retreat. Fire! Continue to fire! Fire! We done all I could. We done all we could. We done all we could. All tactical units retreat. All tactical units retreat. Saw you last night, but did you broad day? You gonna go sniff? I'm sniffing. Not keep sniffing. I'm goddamn sniffing. All I got them do is keep sniffing. Come on, bro. Come on. That'd be good money right there. We watching in video because in video the market right now. Cause you a damn snitch, no? I must be hungry because I hate this pita shit. Or whatever this shit is called. The shit did the tortilla shit, whatever it's called. The flour tortilla. Hate that shit. I'm tearing that bitch right now. When your ass hungry, just like back in the day when the ghetto, you be like, you hungry and shit, your people be like, well, I got this, I got that. You be like, I don't want that, then they be like, well, I guess you not hungry. Because if you hungry, you gonna eat that bitch. And it's gonna taste good. But it's fucked up though. Regular Americans all homeless and shit, and they got all these foreigners coming all in here, and we giving all this money to these foreigners, and meanwhile America ain't shit. You know what I mean? That's really fucked up how they won't. That's the reason why people fuck with Trump for real, even though he probably not good, but that's why people fuck with him, because niggas like, damn, when they gonna do something for the people? America dying. These Jews, whoever these people are, these secret organizations, secret forces, they playing with the money, they playing with the funds.
something. Remember, you had Austin Goolsby say one thing, Michelle Bowl, and the market generally absorbed it.
Yeah.
I would expect the same thing to happen here. Jerome Powell's probably not looking to make a headline today.
No, I don't think so. I think he made plenty of them last week. Yep. All right. VIX probably going to get crushed if we hold on to this gain, right?
15.14 and going lower. I mean, yeah, it's not. You know, it depends on how this day plays out, right? Let's see. We're going to start out with all micro. Everything connected to AI stocks is going to be strong to start the day. Let's see how the macro plays in by the end of the day. That's the key.
Good stuff. Great analysis. Thanks, Kevin Hanks. Good start to the day. Appreciate that. When we come back, we'll talk about credit markets, bonds, and more with the team at Invesco as we prepare for the session here. Stocks looking ready to rip.
Be right back. In New Jersey, and that is what the market is that they talk about. And they control the market. The market is rigged. America is rigged. And there's a certain group of people who, when you try to say about who they are, you get in trouble for saying hate speech. But there's a certain particular people that are the ones who are the culprits of this matter.
Trading at Schwab is powered by Ameritrade, bringing you futures and Forex for round-the-clock market access, even when equities markets are closed. All on our award-winning Thinkorswim platforms. So no matter what or when you want to trade, Schwab has cutting-edge tools, curated education and insights, and trading specialists ready to help, however complex the strategy. With a wider range of opportunities, you can trade brilliantly with Schwab.
I'm Nicole Petalides, live from the New York Stock Exchange. Catch me on Schwab Network, available anytime, anywhere, any device, for free. Schwab Network.
The capital ratio.
Trading the trending names every day. It's Fast Market. Ready for you, ready to go. I'm Kevin Hanks. Catch me on Fast Market, weekdays at noon on the Schwab Network.
I'm Nicole Petalides, host of Trading 360 and The Watch List, live on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, where we bring you breaking news, experts, CEOs, influencers, and analysts. It's all available on Schwab Network.
Look at that high and 190 looking. These stocks looking clean, bro. They just hating right now. I know how to pick them. Now these niggas in A right now. No notice or nothing.
Welcome back to Morning Trade Live. We've got stocks ready to rip. Bonds still trying to figure out a direction, but did sell off after jobless claims came in lighter than expected, better than expected. Matt Burrell joins us from Invesco, head of North America Investment Grade Credit. Matt, welcome to the show. Thanks for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
So when you look at the response now, about a week after the Fed, it seems like generally risk on for markets. So what's changed in your world looking at the credit side?
Yeah, so I think what the Fed did last week and then the rhetoric since, and we obviously have a lot of Fed members talking today, but the rhetoric so far has been that they've got the markets back and that they want to be ahead of the curve, and they can cut they're cutting because they can and not because they have to. And that's kind of the statement that we're putting out there. And I think overall that just means that the tail risk is less, which is good for growth and it's good for credit spreads. So overall, we're pretty happy with this Fed's decision last week.
As we get Fed speakers quite a lot here, including a fresh statement from Powell over the next 48 hours, do you think any of that moves the needle in the bond market, or is all that information going to be a subset of what we heard already last week?
The bond market.
Yeah, so I think what they've been telling you, or what they're going to tell you, is that they were very concerned about inflation for the longest time, and now inflation is really not their concern. It's the labor market, and they know that they're very far from neutral. So they have to get closer to neutral. So I think what we want to hear out of them is any more ideas on where they think neutral is. That would certainly be helpful. But overall, I think they're going to tell you that if the labor market weakens at all, they're going to be aggressive. And I think the market knows that. I think, obviously you had one dissenter, but overall, the market knows the Fed's going to be there. So I don't really think that anyone from the Fed is going to tell you something that they had to get forced into cutting 50 and they didn't agree with it or anything like that. So it's been pretty unified in that front going forward, or since the cut. And so I think going forward, you're going to continue to hear that collective, we got the markets back or the economy's back, and we're going to make sure that the not slip any further from here, because as Powell stated, it's clearly unwanted to have any deterioration from here.
What are you looking for to know if their decision has been effective or if it's having real impact? What do you watch in the world of credit? Is it the stuff that was nearing real problems with debt overhangs and maturity walls and such, areas that the market's been worried about in the past, low quality real estate, etc.? Walk me through kind of what you look for to know if indeed this plan is working.
Yeah, so it takes a little time, right, for any kind of action from the Fed to flow through to the economy. But some of the more near-term implications will be any kind of floating rate borrower will get a little bit of reprieve. So 50 basis points is nice, but if you get another 50 or even just 25, but another 50 in November and then more from there, that will help any floating rate borrower. So things like small caps, which often use bank loans, would benefit. I think the other area that we're looking at from a kind of a sector standpoint is the auto space. It has been challenged. You've seen some reports coming out that cars are maybe not moving as fast and that some delinquencies are picking up within the subprime auto lender space. So that is going to be supported by lower rates, but again, it's going to take some time. So we just want to make sure that the rails, that things are not falling off the rails here. But overall, if the economy continues to hold up, and you saw some of the jobless claims today were decent enough. If employment reports are decent, people are going to have jobs to be able to pay for their cars and things like that. But they need reprieve pretty quickly because the cost of debt where it is restrictive and it's punitive. So the Fed's got to get going here. And that's why I'm really happy they did 50, because again, they're so far from neutral that if they stay at this way at these levels for too long, you are going to see continued deterioration of the low end consumer. And then that'll work its way up into the middle area of the consumer as well.
So the rise in unemployment and what we've seen in terms of deterioration on the margin in the economy this year, the trajectory that some say historically is pre-recessionary. We have confidence that we can tie the knot on that and tourniquet the bleeding. Does it actually improve, or is this just about staving off things getting worse?
Yeah, I think it's generally about staving off things getting worse. So, that's kind of the definition of neutral, right? They don't want to stimulate the economy, but they don't want it to get anywhere worse. So I think there are areas that will improve with time. So if you think about wage inflation, it's generally been a little bit higher than goods inflation recently. So that means that the American worker is making progress against the fight against price increases. So prices aren't really going up anymore, but they went up by so much over such a short period of time that the typical consumer is feeling as if things are just very expensive. So they have to make wage gains in order to do that. But if they get it too fast, it means there's too much inflation. So little by little, clawing back some of that pricing power to the consumer will take place. But we just need the economy to hang in there. Look at the GDP today, around 3%. That's a still very healthy economy. So the Fed does not necessarily want to stimulate things. They're just seeing that the glide path from here is that there's some deterioration. And again, they are restrictive. So as long as they stay above neutral, it's going to slow the economy. So it could be another 16 months of this. It could be another 12 months of this. But at some point, the Fed needs to get to neutral. And so, we just want them to be on that glide path and taking a couple bigger steps to start, which is what 50 did, and then start to, slowly recalibrate after that.
Okay. The weaker stuff, back to that subject of the maturity wall and indebted businesses as we're in September. Seems like no ticking time bomb going to blow up on this year's calendar, assuming, we don't get any big surprises. But what does the timeline look generally for having to resolve some of those issues in the lower qualities of credit?
Yeah, so within the high yield market, we've seen a really nice job out of companies terming out their debt. They've really been extending 2024, 2025 maturities, pushing them out to 5 years or greater. So the maturity wall has been basically cut in half within the last year. We actually saw yesterday a high yield company announcing that they're going to take out their 2027 and 2028 debt. So they're just really saying we don't want any maturity walls at all over the next several years. So we kind of have a saying that rolling debt does not default. A rolling bond does not default. So in that regard, if you're just able to keep kicking the can down the road, it's good. Now, in the process of that, if you can get lower interest rates, even better. But overall, maturity wall looks pretty good. There's a few investment grade names that are on the cusp of downgrade. Boeing is the big one that's on everybody's minds. It's looks like they're going to be coming out with some sort of equity raise to try to hold off their debt getting downgraded to high yield. I mean, that's the discussion, but we'll see if they're able to get that done. But the company keeps saying we want to defend this investment grade rating. So it's not just the lower end of the high yield market, but it's also the investment grade market that's saying, hey, we don't want to go to high yield. We think it's important to stay investment grade. And we're seeing a ratio of upgrades to downgrades of over 4-to-1. So more upgrades than downgrades by a 4-to-1 ratio. That's really strong for credit markets. And again, if companies continue to kind of push off these maturities, that should set up credit for several years from now to continue to do well.
Okay. Matt, where are you seeing response by the market? Give me some idea into the flows, as you guys obviously have tons of ways to express these views through funds. Where are the flows coming? Where's the money going?
Yeah, so the money has been in T-bills, right? T-bills, CDs, money market funds. You've got $6 trillion plus in that area. And we've been arguing for some time, step out the curve. Reinvestment risk is real. We have an active ETF, GTO, that's been taking in significant inflows recently. So intermediate bonds seem to be the space. So you're seeing people step out the curve, say, hey, we were in T-bills, we were getting 5.5%, but now we don't know how long that's going to last for. So we've been trying to talk investors into at least locking in for 3 years, 5 years. And we've been saying, hey, if you like it for 6 months, you ought to like it for 6 years. Out the curve in pension plans, insurance companies, 30-year bonds, they've been really soaking up a lot of that debt. I think there's this view that the window to really invest and lock in yields may not last for as long as people had thought. And so you're seeing insurance companies and pension plans doing a lot of extension trades. But overall, a lot of inflows to investment grade market, a lot of inflows into the bond market in general. We had about $8 billion inflow just last week. You see the muni market has had something like 30 straight days of inflows. So there's been a significant wave of cash of coming out of this short-term securities and pushing out the curve and trying to lock in these yields, because we don't know how fast the Fed is going to cut, but we do know the Fed is on a path to cut.
Okay. So some of that higher yield stuff gets a little bit more interesting. Investment grade getting a little bit richer. Do you move out the quality spectrum? And do you see the flows following a little bit more risk than maybe earlier this year?
Yeah, so I think with the Fed doing 50 and telling you that we've got with their words, not directly, but their actions, a little more so, that they've got the Fed put in place, I think it is prudent to step out the curve and go a little bit lower in quality. So meaning go from investment grade to high yield. High yield indices still yielding more than 7%. I think that's pretty attractive. Most investment grade bonds are yielding the high 4%. So you're getting a significant pickup to buy high yield still. We like that trade. So we've been adding to a little bit more high yield, a little bit more hard dollar, US dollar emerging markets since the Fed cut. So with the Fed being aggressive, that reduced tail risk. And when you just reduce the tail risk, you have the greater opportunity to make money in some of the higher beta, higher risk areas, which high yield would fall under. So we think that that's a good place to be. Just overall, avoiding some areas, low-end consumer, having some real discretion around where to be in the energy space. That's been challenged. But overall, it's somewhat of a rising tide. And as the flows continue to come in, we think the technicals for both the investment grade as well as the high yield market are going to be very, very strong over the near term. And this could persist for a lot longer than people think with that $6+ trillion in T-bills.
All right, great stuff, Matt. Fantastic analysis. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Matt Brill, head of North America Investment Grade Credit at Invesco. Really good look at the dynamics for the economy and how it connects into the bond market and credit. Coming up, we got the bells, 2 minutes, and then we'll see how far this thing can rip. Do we get the melt up today? It's looking like we very well could.
Neil, how's my favorite client?
Quick question, Carl. Can you offer me the same choices as Schwab?
Choices?
Yeah. At Schwab, I can get full-service wealth management, advice, and invest and trade on my own.
Come on, you know Carl's the only choice you need, right? Neil, tell me you know this.
Gotta run, Carl.
Schwab. Have a choice in how you invest with Schwab.
It's time to look forward.
Find the next trend.
From every click to every tick.
There's no fear of missing out on next-gen investing.
Available anytime, anywhere, on any device for free. Empower your portfolio with the Schwab Network. He's Alex Coffey. I'm Jenny Horn. Join us for Next Gen Investing.
1 p.m. Eastern, only on the Schwab Network.
All right, 20 seconds till the opening bell here. Hopefully they ring it real hard this morning to invigorate some animal spirits. S&P 500, of course, at all-time highs, but has been a little slow in its ascent. Today it looks like that might be set to pick up. We're going to get ready here with about a 1.5% open for the NASDAQ. Ring it, where is it? All right, well, pretty good start here for sure. S&P 500, 57.67. Am I crazy or did I not even hear the bell in there? Okay, well, about a 0.75% move. Russell up 1% too. Small caps doing all right this morning after pretty good economic data. Firms up the outlook and jobless claims. A bit of a pop in those earlier this summer. Hope perhaps that the labor market has reasserted itself. And so you've got good participation. Banks are up. Industrials, consumer stocks down this morning are energy companies with crude oil. More production coming out of OPEC. Staples, utilities, and healthcare lower. Distinctly risk on with tech out in front by a long shot. 1.5% tech sector. Green across the Mag 7. 4% rally in the semiconductors. Micron's numbers doing wonders here for the semiconductor trade, opening with a gap up above the August highs. This has been the missing link. So Nvidia right now trading 126, 2% rally, putting it close to its August highs. Not quite there, but looking like it wants to follow suit with higher highs. This is the most important sector still. Obviously, the AI trade playing a big role in this market. Now, also the macro too, and some buying pressure perhaps the higher we go, as positioning has remained solid. We saw yesterday put activity creeping in per the analysis of Mr. Kevin Green, but we talked about also the pressure still in favor of bulls with the continued marginal gains on a daily basis in the S&P 500. This morning, gold's a little calm, been a great winner, but maybe not quite as appealing when stock are ripping. Bitcoin up now $1,200. Crypto folks really hoping they can get in the mix here to make a real technical move above their August high. Bitcoin been stuck there, but you did get some more positive commentary on the political trail, this time from the Democratic camp on being interested in blockchain. So, all right, we'll see if the crypto folks get their piece of the rally here, but so far it's very much a tech story. Let's go to Kevin Green, checking in on those flows. Are we starting to apply some pressure on some of those big trading areas that might force folks to chase higher, KG, or where's the real melt-up potential at?
Yeah, so right now we are testing that 5750 area. We've been kind of highlighting that over the last couple of trading sessions. That's where you had that JPM collar taking place, as well as some other positioning. So right now we're going to see if we're going to be able to hold this level. You really want to kind of break above 5765 in order to try to gap higher here. Now, obviously it's early, but you are seeing some flows in the 5780 calls right now, around 3,500 contracts. Once again, still early, and then there is some call selling pressure happening at 5,800. Overall, this is bullish, but we are seeing some puts being bought in as well. So the 5750 puts, second on the radar here today, trading at around 4,500 contracts. Still early, and we also have the ones under that 5730s. Those are going to be the fourth highest traded contracts for today. So we're still trying to really map this out. If you look at that chart as we have it up here, we did break above that channel line. We are in this positive dealer pressure area, and if we're going to be able to maintain or hold, we want to be able to do that on some very large strength. Now, when you're looking at the internals here for the day, Oliver, one thing to just kind of note is risk on, and when it comes to the sentiment, and these risk off, or basically these defensive sectors, if you're looking at utilities, energy, consumer staples, even real estate, are seeing a little bit of selling pressure here today. But the big sectors that you kind of focused on, communication services, information technology, are leading the way with the SMH up over around 4% right now. This is kind of the mix that you want to have in order to try to have a melt up. Maybe those defensive sectors come in the latter half of today's trading session to give us a little bit more of a boost. But right now it looks pretty good. You don't really like to open up really at a pressure area, but if the momentum is still there, we could try to push higher here.
All right. And where might that slingshot send us to, dare I ask, if we do get that kind of break and squeeze higher?
Yeah, so for today, looking at 5780 is going to be your first area of real resistance after the 5750 is being tested, and then you could actually hit up to 5800. It just depends on how much volume that we get at that higher strike to really push these dealers up, and then also if we are not kind of seeing aggressive rolling up of these put contracts as well. So I would say maybe another 20 points up from here. I mean, we're sitting at 5760 right now. 5780 would be your next one that I would consider to be a huge win here for the market and having us try to truck higher. And for the NASDAQ, I mean, it's pretty much in the middle of its range or trying to hit its recent all-time highs. And so if there's a lot of optimism for small caps, for semiconductors as well as technology companies, that would also then fuel the S&P rally as a whole. So that's the immediate area, 5780. Immediate area of support right now is going to sit at around 5720 on the S&P 500. So you want to see us actually bounce off of that level. That was the area of support for the last two trading sessions.
Good stuff. All right. Hey, speaking of the small caps, give me a quick thought on some of the non-tech items real quick. As Kevin and I were talking about the data this morning, the role of rates in the market, Russell up this morning too. Bonds have rallied back. What do you think the small caps in particular, the regionals, want to see here? Because as we talked about yesterday, pretty big rejection for a lot of the small to mid cap groups that had been trying to lead here over the last couple months.
So regionals still want to see interest rates going lower, especially if you're looking at the 10-year. And right now we're kind of seeing the 10-year try to move a little bit higher here. Maybe the unwinding of some of the speculation that we had pre-FOMC meeting is still taking place in the market. It doesn't mean that the KRE, if you're looking at the regional bank ETF here, it doesn't mean that it can't go higher with higher yields, but it just makes it a little bit more difficult. We can see that on a one-year time frame. So we have a treasury auction happening today. I believe it's a 7-year treasury auction today. Not a big headline mover, but it could actually reinvigorate those bond bulls maybe stepping into this market.
They cut my nigga off. They ain't like that shit.
Data coming out, Powell statements as well as Yellen statements. We have like 8,000 different FOMC speakers here today, obviously exaggerating. But if they say the right things, yields kind of go a little bit lower, maybe a little bit more optimism that we get 75 basis points for the remainder of the year. Regionals can lead it higher. And I think regional banks as a whole is going to be the key catalyst for small caps moving forward. Without the regional banks, you really do lose a lot of the earnings power for the Russell 2000. So I'm still keeping my eye out on that. I don't think that playbook actually shifts because of the 50 basis point rate cut.
All right. Good stuff. Thanks, Mr. Kevin Green. Appreciate the little macro take there, too. As we get the dollar down, bonds firming up, regionals solid, Russell solid, too. So far, so good. We're holding our gains. Diane King Hall joins us from New York with a few other news items that help the AI story. Accenture also in the mix today, giving us some fresh news on demand for product, services, and the way they're going to connect businesses with the new AI themes. Take me through it.
That's right. So Accenture out with its latest quarterly numbers, and some of the growth came from the AI space. I mean, Accenture in the consulting space had been one of the front runners in investing in AI and building up its AI platform. So in terms of its numbers, adjusted EPS came in at $2.79 a share. That was better than expected. Sales were $16.41 billion, also a little better than expected. The expectation there was just below $16.4 billion in terms of that number. In terms of what new bookings were, new bookings came in just above $20 billion. Consulting made up $8.6 billion of that. Managed services came in more, but AI was one of the spaces where it saw growth. Generative AI accounted for $1 billion of bookings. So again, it's a newer space for Accenture, but it's been tapping into that technology. You can see how it is contributing to some of the growth that it's seeing. The other thing that Accenture out with news that it is doing, it's approved another buyback. This one is for $4 billion. So that increases the amount of its previously approved buyback, which that would bring it to a total of more than $6 billion, approaching $7 billion, honestly. Accenture also out with news on a quarterly dividend, declaring a cash dividend of $1.48 a share. That implies double-digit growth when we look at that number. So it's hitting the number on a variety of metrics, and then you can see it being rewarded with an advance today of about just shy of 7.5% at the moment.
Okay, big move, big rally, and also fitting the theme of finding kind of the secondary names, maybe even tertiary to some degree, of the AI knock-on effect. That's, I think, good that we've got the main ingredients, the chip makers, NVIDIA up, but also thinking about kind of Micron, which is sort of a secondary chip player in the AI trade rallying, Accenture, which kind of like a third party, almost literally finding the ways to provide AI services and consulting for big businesses. So to see it kind of move its way through the economy is interesting. Kind of see the AI wave, you know, where it's going, and now it also brings up kind of cloud companies and some of the other services products maybe for this upcoming earnings season, because that's where Accenture is going to find a lot of its value, is finding software and finding services for companies.
It's true, and it needed this win. It needed to show that the investment in AI is paying off, because if you look at how it's performed year to date, it is slightly higher year to date. So it needed this advance that we're seeing today that's really helping to move the needle. When you look at it on a year-over-year basis, better on a year-over-year basis. It's a double-digit growth on a year-over-year basis, but it needed to show that this investment is paying off. And to your point, that the AI play is moving down the chain. gain.
Okay. Yeah, well said. Hey, let's talk some travel here this morning. Crude oil's falling apart, down 67 bucks. Bad for crude bulls. Great for airlines, great for travel. So you've also got some news flow as well. Price target hikes in the cruise lines and Southwest with guidance. Let's start there, Diane. Nice pop, up 9.5%. Whew.
Another one who needed a win, Southwest Airlines. It's really had a difficult year, and when you look at it going back to pre-pandemic levels, it still hasn't achieved the kind of volume it had pre-pandemic. So Southwest, yes, we're seeing the play in crude oil just helping give some some credence to Southwest because it would reduce its fuel costs. But here's what's going on in terms of the individual news that's idiosyncratic to Southwest. It's raising a key revenue forecast. This is its revenue per available seat mile. They're boosting their third quarter forecast. They're now expecting that to come in a range between 2 to 3% growth. Previously, it expected it to be flat to down 2%. So the fact that they're seeing growth is really good for Southwest. And we know there's been activist activity surrounding Southwest. Elliott has been pushing for a lot of change. We know this month they had said that their former CEO, Gary Kelly, is going to be stepping down by the end of the year. So a lot of change needed to occur at Southwest, and it's certainly announcing, revealing some of that change. The updated guidance is really key to the path forward for Southwest. When you look at it again, when you go back to pre-pandemic levels, if you go back over the past roughly 5 years, the stock is down more than 40%. So when you think about this, when Southwest really needed it now brings positive for the year, all thanks to today's advance.
All right. Really nice rally. A lot of things adding up for Southwest right now. And it seems like also the kind of activism maybe starting to work its way into the stock in a productive way. A lot of times
that's right.
That's kind of when you can get these turnaround stories to manifest. That's why it's up 10%. But then the whole macro thing seems to be affecting the rest of the group because, Southwest having a great day, but it's actually only outperforming. Not only, but, it's double the other shares. But the other airlines are up like 5%. So it seems like it's just a big deal that you've got input prices dropping as well as pretty solid economic data, so we can afford to keep traveling because jobless claims drop a little bit and not too many people are losing their jobs.
That's right. And again, Southwest needed this win because they had a troubled picture, especially when you compare it to some of the other airlines. Southwest said some of the reason that we've seen some of the increased bookings is people have been able to rebook after that CrowdStrike outage, so that is helping it. Passengers who were originally flying on other airlines, because if you remember, Southwest actually wasn't a part of that wasn't affected by that CrowdStrike outage. So, maybe the case could be made some of the technology that they had been criticized about previously actually worked out for Southwest. So they are benefiting from that, passengers returning to a different airline coming to Southwest. And again, as you mentioned, the input prices, crude oil coming down because of, all the increase in supply or potential increased supplies that we're seeing, especially when you account for Saudi Arabia, et cetera, that helps Southwest bottom line.
Definitely. In the middle of an activist battle, putting the dividend back in, seems like they're listening and responding to the market. So good stuff. Good day for Southwest. How about the cruise lines? Truist with fresh price target hikes. Royal looks like it's unstoppable. Norwegian looks like it wants to join for a breakout. Look at Royal Caribbean from $78 last fall to $183 right now.
I'm sure Jason Liberty is happy with this one, the CEO over at Royal Caribbean. So price target increase you're seeing from Truist for Royal Caribbean. RCL, they're boosting the price target to $204 a share. They previously had a price target. We're looking at NCLH right now. I'll get to that in just a minute. But Royal Caribbean's price target being boosted to $204 from $175. They're maintaining their buy rating. They took a broader look at the industry, the cruise industry. They said, after their discussions with travel industry executives, gleaning data, they see pricing for 2025 accelerating and overall pricing coming in ahead of consensus, well ahead of consensus. So they said that suggests significant upside to consensus view for Royal Caribbean, Norwegian as well. Norwegian's price target has been boosted to $25 a share from $21 a share as well. Again, this is part of their broader research in the industry. So Norwegian getting some love as well today. That stock up more than 4%. But again, as you mentioned, Royal Caribbean up 2%, but year to date up more than 50%.
Wow. All right. It seems like more to come. $204, pretty lofty price target. Norwegian too, though, kind of fun because it hasn't broken out. It's continued to get rejected at $21, $20 multiple times. So if it can break through there, that would be a big deal. $25, so pretty far ways away relative to how many times that chart has stopped out. Right where it's at now. All right, it is risk on day when we got cruise lines, airlines, alongside tech, alongside banks. Everything holding up here. Thanks, Diane.
All right, you got it.
Let's talk some Costco earnings when we come back. Do a little bit of trading. Market holding on to gains and having a great morning here so far. We'll talk staples and subscription services, and one of the best stocks, most reliable ones in the last year or two, trading at $900. Costco's had just a casual 70% rally in the last 52 weeks.
Empower your portfolio with the Schwab Network. Available anytime, anywhere, on any device for free. Schwab Network.
Ameritrade is now part of Schwab, bringing you an elevated experience tailor-made for trader minds. Go deeper with Thinkorswim, our award-winning trading platforms. Unlock support from the Schwab Trade Desk, our team of passionate traders who live and breathe trading. And sharpen your skills with immersive online education, crafted just for traders. All so you can trade brilliantly.
Welcome back to Morning Trade Live. We're looking at stocks holding gains, and pretty good session here with airlines up, travel stocks rallying, chip makers, and also we've got Costco earnings coming up. Tom Plum joins us, portfolio manager of the Plum Balanced Fund. Tom, good to see you again. Welcome back.
Good to see you, Oliver. Thank you.
Yeah, likewise. Costco, about as reliable as anything out there, so I guess it should be an additive. to our rally, assuming things go well?
Well, Costco's been one of the great companies of the more than decade. And don't be fooled. They're going to report their earnings, and they may not seem as great as they have historically because they've got one less week in this reporting period versus last year. So they may report revenues up about 4 or 5%.
They slick. They say, oh, it's one last week when before, so when
But
that way
would
they money don't go
translate
down.
into 12 or
So they don't have no
13%, and
problem
it's just like
with the money
clockwork.
going down,
It's a company
long as
that's
it's your
gone up,
money.
as you said,
But then when it's time for their
70%
money
the
to
last
go
year.
down,
It's actually gone up
then all of a
300%
sudden, how you know
the
it's
last
only
5 years.
you know, don't overreact,
It's just
you know,
fine
don't
company that continues to execute.
nigga, freak
Just
out
like
like
we've
you
seen
freak out when you
in
do
this
our
whole
shit.
market,
Don't
the
overreact,
guys
do
who
all that
execute,
bullshit,
the
and tear
winners,
the
they
price
keep
up.
winning.
You think that Costco is a staple? Even with the subscription, think it's affordable, a deal enough that it can withstand swings in the economy?
Well, they're obviously they're going to raise their subscription prices, so that's going to be. It has been additive. It typically has not caused people to leave, and you know they find that value proposition that they have just continues to ring. So they gain people. They get about 4 or 5% same store sales growth. They had 6 stores around the world. So it's just like you said, just a consistent company because it's execution, knowing what people want, and making sure they can deliver it.
Walmart has done well. Costco has done well. What is the consumer role in your portfolio, Tom? And when you think about exposure to the American consumer, is that a key part, or do you?
That shit's so disgusting. It's so un-American, bro. We can only hope these people
Think about it. They primarily the large in the United States, and if you do get the soft landing, you do get interest rates to come down because that's been one of the big areas where the consumer has been stressed is the cost of money. And if you get interest rates to come down, you get car loans to be less expensive. And as you said, employment looks like it's still strong, so it's probably a hold, but it's always going to be volatile because there's an incredible amount of short sellers on that stock, usually 10 to 15%.
It's a few ones that I keep
Well, they might get squeezed here this morning. Great to catch up, Tom. Thank you very much. Glad we got 3 takes there from you. Always like to look into the Plum Fund. Mr. Tom White, back to Costco here. Nice little swing there in CarMax, by the way. All right, Costco had earnings. Give me some trades.
Costco going into earnings. Option market pricing about a plus or minus 4% move in the stock. Not very big, but remember, Costco is one of those retailers that they give us monthly numbers as far as sales go. So
a lot of transparency, so less potential for surprise.
Right, but at the same time, you know, they're still expecting a plus or minus $33 move in the shares post earnings. So with that in mind, I got a couple different strategies. The first one's more neutral. If you think you know, this stock's going to kind of remain just below those all-time highs, or maybe even go to new all-time highs, but stay in a range post-earnings, a real short-term positioning. In that September 27th weekly cycle, I looked at selling an iron condor. This is a neutral strategy where I'm going to sell an out-of-the-money put vertical, the 880 put. I'm going to sell that one. 875 put, I'm going to buy, so short $5 wide put vertical. And then on the call side, I'm going to sell the 940 call, buy the 945 call. So short $5 wide neutral iron condor. You're collecting roughly about a $2.30 credit on it. That's what you can make on this trade if it stays within those break evens of 942.30 on the upside and 877.70 on the downside on this one. You've only got a little over 24 hours in this position. You're going to get those earnings. Volatility will get crushed tomorrow. But the whole idea behind this is you're taking advantage of the elevated implied volatility going into it. And because you've only got 1 day, time decay really ramps up. So short-term positioning if you think the stock's going to consolidate post-earnings between those break-evens.
Okay, I like that trade. It seems reasonable for Costco, which does kind of have the steady grind. It doesn't really. I mean, it's had some big moves, but it kind of makes sense to think about it. I think in a range.
Slow and steady up.
Wins the race.
To the right. Yes.
Other than me at Costco, which is full bore manic.
Crazy. I can't imagine you in Costco.
You got one more for us.
Yeah, a little bit more bullish if you want to take advantage of implied volatility levels and where they are further out as opposed to where they are in the near-term option series. So looked at a call diagonal here where I'm going to buy something slightly in the money, buy the 900 strike call out in the October 18th monthly option series. So 22 days to expiration. So you're buying that in the money call, slightly in the money call. It's got the higher delta. Reacts more like the stock, and then against that, in the September 27th weekly cycle, and it expires in just one day, we're going to sell the 930 strike call. So a $30 wide bullish call diagonal here with some opportunities to roll or adjust and create credits. But you're paying roughly about a $21.50 debit for this on a $30 wide call diagonal. So that's a positive because anything above that break even, which is at or near about 905, is going to be profitability on this one. But you're basically buying about a 30% implied volatility in the October monthly cycle where you're buying the 900 strike call, selling about an 82% implied volatility in the near term September 27th 930 strike call that you're selling. So that vol dispersion, that where you're buying the lower vol, selling the higher vol to take advantage of that event risk. But you need the stock to move higher, get back above 905, 910. That's going to be all profitability on this type of trade. And then you can roll that short option if it goes up there. And by the way, 930, that's where you want it to go. That would be a new fresh all-time high. But it can still continue to move higher because you're paying less than the width of the call diagonal.
All right. Nice bullish trade for those that want to just continue riding the wave. Also, though, I think the range-bound trade makes sense, too. All right. Thanks, Tom. Setting us up for Costco. When we come back, we'll look at the options in Meta, one of the most reliable of the Mag 7. But this morning, it's mostly across the board. And we're losing a little bit of some of the tech strength with Amazon, Apple flipping red alongside Netflix. But Meta's been a total beast. It's up 0.75% this morning, and stocks holding on to gains. So for the most part, pretty much where we were, a little bit off the top, a little bit of a pullback in the last half hour, but still up. No need to panic. Hour 2 ahead.
Bro, it was raining cats and dogs this morning. They kind of said we going back up.
This election season, stay out of the muck and the mudslinging with Schwab Network's By the Numbers coverage of the presidential cycle.
How could this election impact your financial future?
Next week is going to be a crazy political week.
Election trades are fraught with risk. No agenda, no hysteria, just good old-fashioned analysis of what policy means for your portfolio.
Stay informed, stay ahead. Tune in to our election coverage on Schwab Network.
The market is a multi-trillion-dollar beast. When there's profit there, you take it. That's always going through my head.
My job as a trader is to just make money.
With a history and a geography degree, how did you find your way into trading?
Trading attracts a lot of the best and brightest students because it is this enormous data set. It is incredibly competitive. And so if you really want to put yourself out there and test yourself and find out how good you are, it is very attractive.
So how are you exploiting human weaknesses?
Being lucky in trading is great, but it's not the formula for success.
You need to be able to find opportunities in the marketplace and sift through enormous, staggering amounts of data.
You certainly see patterns. Context is so important.
I think the best traders I've seen have insatiable intellectual curiosity. Otherwise, certain parts of your skills will become outmoded by competition or by technology.
When we look at your whole brain, we don't see any activation in these emotional or reward pathways as if you don't have an emotional reaction.
I'm not very good at sales, turns out. I'm very good at trading.
I have a trading system that I've used for over 10 years now, and it's almost second nature to me.
Do you think that this is potentially a human superpower?
back to Morning Trade Live. We're in hour 2 of our show here. 30 minutes into the session. Stocks have held on to most of their gains, but did take a pull back in the last about 15, 20 minutes. Been some chop and a little shift into the small caps, into the Russell. Interesting. So we started out with so much power in the semiconductor trade, the one that's going to be more important mathematically for the S&P 500. But it's just taking a little bit of a breather. Chips are still up, but have cooled off a little bit from the early highs of the morning. SMH opened just shy of 256, and that fund's now at 253. So lopped a few bucks off of the semiconductor trade, but markets overall well bid. Bitcoin still up. Bonds back down a little bit after some chop there. We got some Fed speak here and there. We do have pending home sales, but overall we're still in the range that we established earlier this morning for the macros. Dollar inching its way higher here, somewhat interesting, but generally better than expected economic data. Should be firming up the dollar a bit and firming up yields a tad, so markets hopefully able to deal with that. We've got a good hour coming up. We're going to focus on Meta in the Mag 7 next as we look at options and trade on Meta Connect, as we saw some interesting AI implications from Meta's product. And even saw Jensen Huang with the glasses on, the mixed reality goggles. So we'll talk about that, do a little trading, look at the options. Joe Teagay's got a trade for us there. Then John Najarian joins us. Always a fun chat and a thorough one, looking at specific stocks and the macro, kind of weaving it all together here. Also look at how to play the China stimulus. That's still an important story. It's another good day for the China stocks. FXI up 7.5%. K-Web up 11%. Shout out Danny Kirsch from Piper Sandler yesterday, who already had the long calls on K-Web and came back to our show yesterday afternoon and said, put on more. So the Chinese trade is really rocking right now. Chartmaster's taking a look at Starbucks. Speaking of China impact, always
my hair got what? From the rain. Look at all these buys though. Big 30,000 share buy. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to keep this on the radar. Anything can happen on this one.
nice to see a big economic participant for international U.S. stocks.
To break out to the upside, bro. Like they supposed to be doing aerospace and defense. I don't see it. What the fuck wrong with the Charles Schwab? What the fuck is this weird ass, gay ass, lesbian ass, stupid ass shit? This shit weird as shit, boy. I don't care. Nobody say, nigga, I don't fuck with that lesbian shit. Motherfucking bitches trying to act like they niggas and shit, man. That shit crazy. Where the fuck we do that? Yeah, fuck yeah, shit like that. Look, nobody they try to tell you the name, think you. I hope you gonna go type it in and go listen to it again. They slick. Now they trying to play Boosie music and shit, trying to get y'all to fuck with Boosie and shit. This old diabetes head little nigga. The niggas be trying to do gangster shit. You don't even know what a gangster is. Y'all right. I stay doing this shit. I get bored and start taking my hair out. And they playing this old ass song. There we go. Come on, go, baby, go. Come on now, go. They fucking playing with this shit. On these Stewart just hit that guy. Look at this, they download some shit from your app. They try to sell you shit, bro. This shit a fucking scam, boy. It's the biggest scam ever, bro. This shit is the lamest shit. Oh, that's my big mama. What you gonna do for big mama for real? What you gonna do for big mama for real? What you gonna do for the birthday? What you gonna do for Big Mama for real? What you gonna do for my birthday? What you gonna do for my birthday? What do I get for my birthday? What do I get for my birthday? You gotta do it to work today. Hey, shit, can you put the fucking dick until a nigga come? Hey. Like, and then they keep playing the same songs over there. Now they playing some Pop Smoke and shit. How you gonna play that nigga? They done killed that nigga. Yeah, they boy, this shit bloody. This shit bloody, boy. This shit bloody, bloody, boy. This we bang, we bang, we bang. We bangin', bitch, we bangin'. We bang, we bang, we bang. We bangin', we bangin'. We bang, we bang, we bang. We bangin', we bangin'. We bang, we bang, we bang. We bangin', we bangin'. Alright, there. What you know about love? I know what you need. What you want, you got what you need. You got the thing on. What you mean? Because I got what you need. Yes, I got what you need. Hey. What y'all know about that slick mook? Whoa, that thing Maybelline in it, won't in it like Maybelline. This nigga fucking Maybelline, give him the me cam. Oh yeah, that Maybelline. Maybelline, nigga, man, my Maybelline, bitch, yeah, that Maybelline, bitches ain't no fucking thing. Come on, E-Man, do your dance, nigga. Get it, Buddha. Get it, Buddha. I ain't lying. They sexy though. Yeah, why didn't they say do us with it? Big City Blood Love Blood Gang. Down, babe. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, that's how it's going down. Baby. Things slow down. Baby. Baby. What they say they doing all this and all that. Move on, baby, down, baby, but they lane. Down, baby. And that's how it's going down. Baby. Thank you for subscribing, boss. Sonia. Appreciate you, Sonia. Check it out. Did I think I'm famous now, y'all? I'm starting to see the whatchamacallit.
Nation's largest.
Wow.
Music, food. Check it out. For some new vibes, know him. Think about it.
There we go, boys. Got me in. I can't do too much. I ain't no stylist or nothing. Ain't no stylist or nothing. Yeah, they stay saying that. People die for your right to vote. But they don't ever try to encourage you to go out and become the candidate. To run to be the person to get voted for. They just want you to vote for their person who they already, you know what I'm saying? They don't ever say, go become a candidate. This is how you become a candidate. This is how you do this. This is how you do that. This is what the name of the DNC is. This is what the RNC is. This is what the, you know what I mean? This is what your municipality. Do this, do that. They don't do none of that shit. They just say, go vote for Kamala Harris. White man loving her.
When you're replacing, you need a new one fast. What your means, here's what you should be thinking. Hey, beats, Korean scarf, deliver 100 appliances. Online delivery. Korean scarf, wafer installation. Don't want to deliver. Free compete. Big headaches. The big made easy.
I gotta start fucking sleeping with this fucking scarf on. Oh shit. I gotta start like at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock or whatever. I gotta wind down and like basically, you know that means set myself up to go to bed at night like how they used to do. Like when you see a nigga, he had that little hat on with the little poofy thing and the pajamas. You know what I mean? It's like you ain't going to bed yet, but you in your bed clothes type shit. Whereas I just go to bed. I just be up, boom, pass out.
Myers. You getting your shit together? Enjoy it. Time to pause and play. Join us Saturday. 1812 Southeast DC.
Let's switch it back to the Wall Street. Okay, there we go. It's going up. Oh, God.
Yeah, go ahead and watch it. There's the shooting switch. Make it that Xfinity internet with unlimited and unlimited mobile for 1 year. Free 5G. Visit Xfinity.com. 100 Xfinity. Xfinity. Bring on the goods. Xfinity mobile. of their healthier. In Northeast DC and in College, Maryland. East. More information. 02-03-2340 to schedule an appointment. We're at EDC. Everything. Wait. Here's to all your moments. Number 410506.
Your life, dude. See, they keep saying we gotta vote. Our life depends on. Our life don't depend on shit, nigga. Niggas ain't gonna kill me if I don't vote. It's the life of y'all's little organization, and all y'all little shitty little plan. Trying to fucking let all these damn foreigners into our country so you can tilt the vote. Shit, I get that jump. They don't feel Wow, I just heard what she finally said. She said if he don't want the baby, don't keep it. Well, I just wanna be a. She tell me I'm asshole, and I done took a t-shirt, and I got bleach on my asshole. Hey, she was under the better. And they gonna talk about it. They gonna want to talk about it, and I don't even want to say nothing. Get up, man. That little small ass truck. Burnt it. Ew. Nigga, they try to say the biggest group chat in the city. Ain't nobody group chatting with these niggas.
A couple days.
Oh, these hoes. These hoes is out of pocket. It's something wrong with these hoes, like.
Too serious. You don't believe in Halloween either. Looking for best leave. Advice could be go to.
Dude, if she don't know, then nigga, that ain't the love. Nigga, fuck that, huh? Nigga, fuck that. Y'all niggas be letting these hoes run over top of y'all, man. Y'all, but,
Man dealership. Savings. 3% with prime. Store. One who has used even if you're Uber. With physical, any kind of missing. Significant. You can
how the fuck the Uber nigga regular bitch? That's because them hoes be coming back home all late, half drunk and shit. So what the? Uber nigga, what money? Nigga, Uber nigga try to take him something, he gonna take it. That's about the plug, he trying to rape something. Visible threat. No. Just remember. Oh, there we go. Come on. And now is the time to come forward. Because your ass might be entitled to substantial financial compensation. So you wasn't coming forward before, bro. Understand? That's what this shit be always about, bro. Them niggas ain't. You done moved on and everything. Nigga ain't kill you. But the closure, and the financial settlement. Niggas say, I know you hurting. Know your money fucked up right now. Know you know them niggas raped you. Know a nigga raped you.
Hundreds of appliances. Online delivery. When we deliver. Wait for installation. Don't want. Big hassle and headaches. Appliances made easy.
Come on. I like that spike, 18 cents. I'm saying, dog, we keep going, bro. We're making good money. Yeah. Why can't we get to fucking 20 cent, 30 cent, 50 cent? Get up to $3. What's wrong with a $3 run? I ain't mad at them. Get some money. Stop letting these niggas scare you. Stop letting Jim Cramer, he a hater. That nigga a hater. They keep letting these haters fuck up the money, nigga. Only me. Only you. Only me. Only you. Only me, only you. I call these the slave braid. Take it out your pocket and show it and blow it like this way, that way. And you get my from everybody you see and think about the ball and the VIP like. Ask me how they did it, man. And looking like a city cat. And what is you about? Hey, long money, little Wayne in the music jar. Hey, make it rain. She wanna rape Wayne. There's a way. From everybody singing, hang up on the wall, the B.I.B.I. Hey, Mr. Make it rain on this motherfucker. What the fuck is this nigga singing about? What the fuck is this nigga singing about? Oh, then they got little Dirk. Then they got bitch ass little Dirk on the track. Boy, this shit a scam, boy. They scamming, boy. You gotta watch out for the swipers, boy. The swipers, boy. Them niggas swiping. Cause these niggas I can't breathe. This nigga raw fucking weed. Better take 2 more of these jumps out and I'm tired. I'm done with this shit. It's like addicting and shit. I done doing this so many years. It's like, I don't know. It's like almost like the mouse. You know how like mice and shit or whatever animals groom themselves? It's like that kind of shit. I'm grooming. I feel like I'm grooming myself. Almost fucking done now, but see what I mean? How I said I wasn't gonna do one more than I fucking. It's like, damn, at this point, I'm almost done, shit. See that shit type of shit.
enjoying this situation. You have some situation going. This man, consistent. He says that he hasn't yet family. So she invited him. Come on, she didn't want. And he said he's in. Really looking for. That's potentially advice can be a 202, 32. Okay, what? Here's Chris Brown.
All right. Woo. That's what it take to be Maybelline, boys. You want to be Maybelline? That's what it take. So the nigga look like, let's go to the meat can. Oh yeah, nigga look Maybelline. Look at Maybelline. The inner hair like Maybelline. H-Town, so I'm Maybelline. She want me on with that boulevard. Don't want me if it's nice enough. They wrong nigga on the car, nigga H-Town, and I'm hot as rock. Girl, I know you really want somebody. Want you that don't really need you. Hey, girl, I think you really want somebody. Want somebody that ain't gotta keep you. Yeah, they ready. All praises to the Most High. You know what I said? And put you to bed. Daddy, not a problem, baby. Put you instead. Yeah, if you need me some company, I got that drink in my cup. What y'all know about that? I done came down, hold up. Girl want a nigga like me, cause I ain't trying to control her. Let's go. Your girl want a nigga like me, cause I ain't trying to control her. Let's go. She wanna be with the lights on, no matter me even talking now. Everybody talking about me, ain't telling I'm hard as rocks. Let's go. No matter me is talking now, hey. He's telling I'm hard as rocks. The inner head like Maybelline, nigga, I'm in her head. Boy, I'm in her head like Maybelline, boy, get out of that shit. I'm in that motherfucker, boy, like Maybelline. I'm in that motherfucker. Motherfucker, boy, that thing Maybelline. That motherfucker Maybelline. H-Town, so I made it lean. That motherfucker Maybelline. They done got this black ass nigga. They had to find some niggas. They set this shit up to find some niggas to run their goddamn mouth out of order. Let's see how a nigga look. Let me turn the brightness up. Oh, y'all look good, boy. On my mama. On my hood. I look fly.
Everything you down. Course visible signs your basement is complex, but there's one way answers to all your home inspection. JES. You're free. JES work. It's number 4105050. I'm dinner at home. Get no other. For 25% off. Through this tender comfort dish. In store.
I see now the shorties. The shorties was feeling me eat. They was fucking with you for a second. I see now. You ladies was fucking with their kid. I see now. I didn't realize.
Angela, like you, when I hear the news, stark reminder just how much it and how much it was this time up to us in Maryland, because we have to determine we control big corporate accountable, raising prices on everything to protect and expand social security and
See how they keep trying to say that shit to protect and expand voting rights. See, they keep trying to find a way to get them motherfuckers in here so they can goddamn vote. They keep saying that shit out there, no. Oh, these broken ass women. These broken ass women raising these broken ass babies. Poor damn black baby. Poor damn black baby and somebody, it doesn't, who fucking her? A brand new baby too. Somebody fucking that bitch. Some fucking stupid ass loser nigga. Some nigga loser. These niggas, bro. Y'all gotta really understand your power, bro. A bitch act slick and shit, she gonna regret that shit. But you gonna regret trying to keep fucking with that slick bitch. You say hello, say what's up, get a feel for her. Once you see that she no good, you can't keep fucking with that jump, right? See, that's the part where y'all niggas fuck up. Y'all feel the bitch out. Y'all feel that the bitch is like, yeah, I mean, she dangerous, she bad news, basically. And then you niggas you niggas look the other way because she dick or some shit, yeah. You know? Because she a thick jump. There we go. Come on now. I might take that one up. I need that bitch to lay Maybelline. There we go. There we go. That thing Maybelline. You know what I mean? I ain't trying to let. Whoa, there it is. Whoa, it's the motherfucking money Buddha. Never do one more time. Lay down, they want to say, please me, baby. Turn around and just please me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Please, please. Come around and just please me, baby.